Hi, it's Mandy with Rosie Posey here, and I am going to show you how to do the tuck stitch, which are these stitches right here in the contrasting teal color. Basically, a tuck stitch is you want to unravel or drop stitches down till you get to your contrasting color. I know, it goes against everything in knitting, but don't worry. Trust the process. So once you get to your tuck stitch, on this stitch, you want to drop it off the left needle, and I hold this down tight so I don't drop too many stitches, but basically we want to pull out these stitches until we get down to our contrasting color, which I'm using teal. So I take my tip of my right needle and I just pull these ladders out. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you can see that I have reached my teal color. So now I stick the tip of my right needle into that teal stitch. And so you can see the 4 ladders are on my needle as well, just kind of laying over top. And then I'm going to knit that and go through that teal stitch, and basically see I am tucking those 4 ladders behind that stitch, and I have pulled it up so you can see it there. So let me show you again. So I'll do 1, 2, 3 to get to my next tuck stitch, and here we are. You're going to drop it off, hold down there, and then with your right tip, 1, 2, 3, 4 to get to the teal stitch, and then knit that stitch like that. Okay, let me show you again. So I will knit 1, 2, 3 to get to my next tuck stitch. Then I'm going to drop it off, hold it below, and go 1, 2, 3, 4 till I get to that contrasting color, and I'm going to knit into that stitch. So then these orange ladders are tucked behind, and you can see that this is turning into a really cool design.